literally, like, 3 was about to get here. But he's not even showing up. I'm just yell out, hello. All right. Hello? Hello?
Okay, so he is here, okay?
Okay.
So, he's in this house somewhere. I sense it.
Okay. And where exactly is he, Danny?
I think he's in this room.
Let's go check in the room then. Let's go.
Ah! You got onto my arm.
Didn't exactly expect this.
Well, I have a laser gun, and I have the most powerful opponent in Nerf.
Hello, you buffoon!
Whoa, Danny, that was quite rude. But I have a laser gun. I have infinite ammo. I would love to shoot this at you.
So, I've been training him for a long time. So, are we ready to battle, shall I say?
Yes, we are.
Good! Now, how why we say we shoot him?
Yes.
Pew, 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 pew!
Impressive. If you may not make it next time.
Pew, 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 pew!
I need to get out of here. Huh? How?
I know where he went.
Where did he
Follow
go?
me.
Okay.
I know the path.
Okay. All right. Let's go.
Ah!
Ah, Danny!
I will return! I will return! For goodness! Ugh.
I'm done with your shenanigans. Now you will pay.
We can talk about this!
I'm tired of this.
No! I will save you.
Thank you for saving me, but who are you?
I'm the one that gave the puppet to him.
Wait, what do we say? Well, isn't it the one of that? It's time for you to pass away.
Ah! You will get revenge! Now, this is my revenge. Ah! Pause it.
Wait, did it hit you? It hit your phone. Oh, it hit your phone. That's what it hit. Like when it was too fast for me to react. So then it didn't really. No, you broke it. No, I'm just kidding. You broke nothing.
You're gonna do this.
So I'm gonna do this, and then do this.
No. You're gonna fall to the ground and then pause.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Yep.
All right, ready? You hold the phone while you're laying down.
Okay.
And you pause whenever I end the sentence. Say, you will. Time for your last words. Like that. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Time for your last words.
I always come back. I will come back.
He lost. Next time, I will be better. And I always come back.